Hey guys, we're back with some vlogging, and it's Saturday night. Back, here's the jungle gym thing. Probably can't see it. Slide, big light. Here's the lake again. Sandbox, big old light. It's kind of weird. Everyone went to bed, kind of. We can go over here. Oh, we can turn on this light too. Kind of scary. I had to go to the bathroom, but see Mr. Pelican, chicken wheel. Here's the water. See, here's the stairs. Honestly, it's kind of scary. There's a house, I think, over there with some light on. See, signs. I came here to go to the bathroom. Brooke will text you back later. Brooke text me. Popped up. He's my friend. It's kind of scary. Tables. Plug in. And it's Saturday night. It's 11:10. There's that. There's a. Here, let's walk back this way. Here, there is a house over there with a pole, like a I forgot what it's called. Freaking antenna, whatever. Phone tower or whatever. I don't know. I'm weird. Bench. I don't know what it's freaking called. No. I don't know. Just an antenna, whatever. I don't know. Big old thing. Here's the bathroom. Light. I have to go to the bathroom. Oh god, it's dark. Yay, we can see now. Okay guys, I'm done. You can sink and stuff. Shut that off. Wanna go bug exploring? It might be up still. Got a fire going. But I guess I don't really know where else to explore. Let's turn this back on. Go back over here. I guess a cell phone tower, I think. I don't fucking know. There's so many names for them now. You guys know what it is. Just big tree. There's water down there. I kind of want to explore and stuff, but it's kind of scary. I mean, I don't watch that many scary things, but I do watch some scary things, like at night and stuff. But not like you, Shy. There's a sign over there. My light from the phone. That sign down there that we looked at earlier today. Because we're in the same spot. It, like, my phone, my camera light from my, yeah, it reflects off that. I don't know why, but I just cannot think right now. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm just really scared. Oh, Jesus. There's some swings. Maybe you will swing. I don't know. It just feels weird. Ooh, look at that over there. Probably can't see it, but really looks real good. What the hell? Holy fuck. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What was that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. I don't know if you guys heard it, but something just made a noise. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's why I don't do this. Oh my god. Jesus. Like I said, I don't like really a lot of scary things. It's probably just a person over there talking. But I'm kind of shaking. Let's just watch Happy Gilmore and forget about it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like a lot of this scary stuff. I don't know why I did that. I was gonna swing, but No, God, no. I ain't doing that. Oh my God. Jesus, that was scary. Okay, let's stop thinking about it. Watch out become more. It's probably just a person.